Crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, and loaded with cheesy veggie goodness. This pull-apart, cheesy garlic bread is made super easy in the air fryer and is perfect as a snack, party appetizer, or side dish. I used a round loaf, stuffed it with cheese, veggies, herbs, and lots of garlic butter till perfectly melty and golden. A golden bun, split and breathing steam. Its crust a soft crackle under eager fingers. Inside, butter melts into velvet rivers, carrying garlic's deep, cosy perfume. Cheese stretches like a lazy yawn, salty, warm, and utterly unashamed. A small, glorious indulgence meant to be torn, shared, and devoured before the last crumb cools. Cook for you, spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for You presents pull-apart cheesy garlic bread. Let's get started. For stuffing, take grated mozzarella cheese. Add mixed peppers, half slice each. 1/4 cup boiled sweet corns. 1 to 2 green chillies, or as per taste. Chives, it's totally optional. Add salt to taste. 1/2 teaspoon chili flakes. Here I have garlic Italian seasoning. It's totally optional. Add some black pepper powder. Add some oregano. Add some fresh coriander leaves. Combine well. Our cheesy garlic bread stuffing is ready. Keep it aside, we'll use it later. Let's make garlic butter. Take 5 to 6 tablespoons, room temperature butter. If the butter is too hard, microwave it for a few seconds to soften. Mash it with spoon. Add 1/2 teaspoon chili flakes. 1/2 teaspoon oregano. 2 crushed garlic cloves. Again, I'm adding this seasoning. It's totally optional. Add some coriander leaves. Mash and mix with spoon. If the butter isn't spreadable, melt it again for a few seconds in the microwave. Again, give it a good mix. Our garlic butter is ready. Keep it aside, we will use it later. Here I'm using a large bun, but you can use a regular burger bun as well. Cut the bread in a crisscross pattern. First, make cuts from one side. Then turn the bread and cut again from the same side as shown. Make sure not to cut the bun all the way through. It should stay intact. Spread garlic butter inside each and every cut. Here, I'm using thick mozzarella cheese. Break it by hand and add it inside the cuts. It's totally optional. You can use cream cheese as well. Add prepared cheesy veggie stuffing. Stuff generously with cheese and veggie mixture. Make sure to cover all the cuts. Brush more garlic butter all over the top. Sprinkle more chili flakes on top. Sprinkle Italian seasoning. Our cheesy garlic bun is ready to air fryer. Place it in the air fryer basket. Air fry until the cheese melts and the bread turned crispy. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, for 7 to 10 minutes, or until cheese is fully melted and bubbly. Time may vary depending on the size and type of the air fryer. Our delicious pull, apart cheesy garlic bread is ready to enjoy. Do try and share your valuable feedback with us. Look how cheesy it is. If you like easy air fryer snacks, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Serve hot and enjoy that insane cheese pull. Do try and share your valuable feedback with us. Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.